here from Guru Scouts, coming to you with today's Guru Scout idea of the day, which comes from Shirdi Sai Baba, who was a great North Indian Sadguru who lived between the late 19th century and the early 20th century, and he said, mere reading is not enough. You have to think about and apply what you've learned. Okay guys, for those of you who have like boring textbooks that your school gives you and you don't know, and it seems like zero usefulness, this quote is for you, okay? So let's jump right into the story. So once for COVID homeschool, my parents bought me a history textbook, and I had to read this history textbook. I had to read the part about the Mayans, and the Mayan it was the Incas. And then I read about the Incas. They're like, they lived until the Spanish conquered them. They had cities of gold. They had a lot of gold. They knew the secret of everything. Like, they were very skilled in the arts. And I'm like, okay, that's great. What can I take from that? Okay? And I'm sure most of you have felt that way. Like, how many of you have felt that way before? Okay? So, normally when I am having this kind of a problem, I'll go to my mom and my dad and ask them like, hey, what do I do? So I did that this time. I'm like, hey, what do I do? This is kind of boring. Like, what can I do to make it fun? And they're like, Sahanav, if you link this to funner things, maybe it'll be way funner. And I'm like, I didn't think of that. Maybe I should try it. So I started reading the history textbook. And the fun thing I was linking it to was Guru Scouts, because I love making videos for all of you guys. And, well, it was amazing what I read. I read that the Incas were very devoted to God and let God take care of them wherever they went. In the same way, I should also be like that. I should let God take care of me wherever I go and become a better Guru Scout. Okay guys, that's today's Guru Scout idea of the day. Mere reading is not enough. You have to think about and apply what you've learned. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the Guru Scouts YouTube channel. If you have questions and you want everyone answered personally by me, please join the Guru Scouts Facebook group and make sure to answer all the questions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!